to continue the stream where I left off, where we left off was we're trying to figure out a good criteria for how we should do like a digital business footprint audit. I wanted to do a little bit more than just like a website review. So I do have the report, the AI report from Gemini on what it thinks. And I thought I'd go through it with you guys on the stream to see how we're gonna create this audit. So let me take a look at the different sections. I don't know if it highlights at the beginning. Technical infrastructure speed, web performance, software stack discovery, system update, streamlining, cybersecurity, spam protection, access control, digital footprint, extraction, and public reputation analysis. Retrieval, automated competitive research, the secret shopper simulation. Okay. I don't know if this is all what I wanted to do, but I guess let's do a deep read into this to see if there is actually anything worth doing here. Oh, is my interesting. Before the chat stream wasn't showing up, but now it is. Okay. Let's take a look into this. By analyzing company website, scraping its public reputation data, testing its customer service responsiveness via voice agents, and evaluating its internal customer relationship management integrations, an engineer can architect a roadmap for operational efficiency, cost reduction, and enhanced customer experience. The resulting intelligence provides the foundation for pitching high-return solutions, ranging from simple chatbot integrations to complex retrieval augmented generation pipelines and automated outbound sales agents. The foundation for any digital footprint is the underlying technical infrastructure. Okay, before automation integrations or advanced marketing is going to be processed, the core website must function optimally, be free of critical errors, possess a high degree of mobile friendliness, and feature an architecture. Automated performance, Lighthouse open source for this. Lighthouse open source automated tools. Running Lighthouse as a node module or via continuous integration cell scripts allow for the auditor. Okay, I am, let's see here. I'm trying to think of the best way. I might create a new agent here in our relay tool. How can I save this? Create. Okay, I'm gonna save this as a text. Whoa. Sure. And let's export this file. Save. I just want a txt file. I was really hoping to save this as a txt file. Let me see here. I guess I'll do it within Cursor. Let me create a new docs folder. Let me add a file. Say digital audit plan.txt. I don't know what happened there. .txt. And then let me paste this guy in there. Oops. Paste it in here. Sure. And then let's reference it. So let me save this guy. Take a look at digital audit plan. And let's start creating and then let's put it in plan mode. A way to convert this into a technical implementation for app. Okay, so I just wanted a way to kind of jump between the two. So it's telling me to use Lighthouse. Let me see if Agent Browser Lighthouse does a Lighthouse report. Let me actually look at the Agent Browser tools here, or docs, I should say. Ooh, Ask AI, perfect. So let's just ask it. Do you support Lighthouse? What's it called? Running Lighthouse. Okay, let me see. Based on that, it does not support. However, the Agent Browser does provide performance capabilities through the profile command, which captures Chrome DevTools performance. This allows you to profile page flows and interactions, diagnose, export data results in Chrome DevTools. Okay, so it looks like I'll need to run Lighthouse separately, but it does have Profiler. Page load analysis, form fills and other user interactions. I'm trying to think. I think the only thing they might look for. Yeah, I was really hoping Agent Browser would do it since we already have it integrated. But since it's not, then let me think through. I might just start with this, but then I want to update it as we go, I guess. Lighthouse, Chrome, scan. CLI. Oh, so there's a Lighthouse CLI. It's kind of nice. Okay. And it's directly from Google Chrome. This is great. It's a good sign. Okay. I kind of want to test this out, because this could be used as part of the report. Open HTML report in your browser. Interesting. Output. Reporter for the results. Supports multiple values. Choice JSON. Default HTML. Okay. Using the Node CLI. Let's give it a shot. Okay. And then run it. What the hell is this? Airhorner.com. I mean, I expected nothing less. Okay. What are you telling me? We may not will remember your choice, but you can only see the flag. Okay. Interesting. Let's just say open all right. This is actually a lot nicer than what I thought. Tree-map, Google Analytics, staying about 20. Okay, well, this is cool. I thought this was gonna be more of a pain in the ass to set up. I had no idea they had a CLI tool. So we will say to use this. Yeah, I think I had it here. Let's create a new, or how's it handling the, let me take a look. What's it called? Agent browser. There's a form automation.sh. This is all in the agent browser stuff. Capture workflow. Interesting. Welp. That's not really what I wanted. Search all. 500 results. Let's omit. Okay. I wanted to avoid the .agent file. Oh, whatever. Should be in this API. Analyze website. Here we go. Analyze business website. So I'm assuming. Okay, agent browser. Okay, so this is where it's actually running the CLI tool. I needed to do something similar to run a CLI tool as an API. New util similar to the agent browser, where we will be using the Lighthouse CLI tool to run a report on the website. And we've provided this documentation. Here is the documentation on that. I also I'm trying to think of a good way to like save the results. For now, let's just say let's create a new table in the convex DB to save reports for a business. There may be multiple reports. I'm trying to think of the best way. I think for now, I'm just going to have everything in an HTML file. Like, create an HTML report. It might get messy, but I think I can use... Because if I use this HTML report that it gave me already, Where the hell did I have that? This guy, right? Like, let me see what this looks like in code. Let's just open it up in Cursor too. Does that mean I might just append this file and just use all the styles that it comes with, and then just update it with my, and just like save this whole thing? Excuse me. It should be fine. I mean, I'm not super thrilled about that, but I mean, I can reuse some of this. Past audits. Accessibility. Best practices. Avoid duplicate API, support third-party cookies. Rex detects JavaScript libraries. Detected JavaScript libraries. Interesting. Let me try on one of these actual websites that I'm finding. I guess I'm just trying to see how I can modify this. To create my own report out of it. Because essentially I'm trying to think of saving this all as just an HTML. Let's see here. Let me see here. Wow, it's just the first thing it gave me. For now, let's just save it, yeah. And I said I was going to try it on one of the websites, so let me do that real quick. Client outreach. I'll do electricians. Or let's do med spas. Med spas in Omaha. Let's do one that has a lot of ratings. 846. Face-to-face spa, Omaha. It seems like a chain, so I'm gonna avoid that for now. What about this one? Oops. Okay. Let's try this. Let's run it through our report. I don't know why it's opening it up in okay. So let's open this report. Open. Okay. So, performance 56, accessibility. Okay, this is interesting. I was wondering what libraries it's using. So that's cool that it's showing that. I might need to do my own. Okay. I mean, this helps, but I think this is a little bit too specific, I think, for just general clients. One second. Nice. She is almost there. Cool. It's a good start. So I'm going to start with this. I'm going to say, yeah, use that. Let's create a new table in Convex to say reports for a business. Or maybe multiple reports for a business. So I want you to account for that when selecting, when clicking on a business. I should be able to see all reports. A report will just be an HTML file for now, which I believe we can store in Convex as a text field. Eventually, I might save the report as a PDF, as a link to a web page. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Okay. So let's go to the next part of the report. I totally just... okay. So let's see here. The evaluation begins with automated performance, speed, and accessibility. We're going to use Lighthouse. We're using the CLI tool. Accessibility standards, search engine optimization. Does Lighthouse have SEO? Oh yeah. Links do not have descriptive text. Okay. Let me get rid of that. Hit this one time. Yes, sir. And then agent browser. Yeah, I guess I don't care too much about the profile. Yeah, I guess I'm just not going to use that. I'm using the Lighthouse CLI. Okay. Okay. Insights API provide access to both lab data from Lighthouse and real-world performance metrics, which will soon transition exclusively. Lens API programmatically allows engineers to measure web page performance. Okay. Beyond basic performance and speed, a technical crawl is required to identify broken links, server errors, and structural deficiencies. Tools such as Screaming Frog SEO Spider or open source Linkinator library. Okay, let's take a look at that. Linkinator. Broken link checker. No Node.js required. Or as a CLI. Let's see the CLI. Required either the URL or the pass on this. Interesting. You can do more complex matching. Okay. You're going to pipe the output to another user format. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's try that out. MPX. I'm assuming it's this guy's website. Let's try it out. Oh, I just posted the website. I want to try this. Okay, cool. Okay, let me try with dash format JSON. Nice. So weird. My AirPods, it's fine if I put the right one in and leave the left one out, but I can't put the left one in and leave the right one out. I don't know. Okay. Let me try to get. Come on, guy. Oh, okay, that works. Okay, so we're gonna be using. Let's also use the. I'm gonna copy this command. Let's use the Linkinator CLI tool to check for broken links on the page. E.g. State okay. Okay. Cool. Let's check for broken links on the page. We'll want to append those results to the Lighthouse HTML that gets reported. Say let's ensure the links for the output of the Lighthouse reports get saved locally on in a folder in this repository. Status reported. Okay, we'll just see how it handles that. All right, let's keep going through this report. So far, so good. A lot of good stuff here. And scanning markdown files. Yeah, I gotta tell it. Let's also create a util for this and ensure it gets hooked into a API that can be called from our app. And eventually saved into Convex. All right. Furthermore, a content audit must be executed to identify duplicate content and structural HTML flaws. Advanced crawlers utilize MD5 algorithmic checks to discover exact duplicate URLs and partially duplicated elements, such as titles, meta descriptions, or headings, or integrated APIs from platforms like XPath, CSS path, or regular expressions for the HTML APIs such as social media, pricing data, or stock keeping units. Okay. I'm trying to think through. I do want like yeah, I do want to save like the images and like screenshots of the application too, but I think it might be overwhelming if I do more than like the top level pages. I'm trying to think through that. Because, I mean, what this is saying is go through the HTML and start parsing it, right? And that's where you can get, like, social media tags and all that. I'm trying to think. I think what would be good if you can get every page that gets rendered, how it looks on desktop, how it looks on mobile, and then do a comparison if there's like overlapping content on the pages, or maybe things should be broken into a different page. Yeah. I'm trying to think. I'm pretty sure Agent Browser does this. Agent Browser. Screenshots. me see. How can I take screenshots of both mobile and desktop views of the application of the pages that agent browser navigates. Take full screenshots. Okay.
Every core computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
I do like that these tools are starting to provide like I was just gonna say, I really like that these docs are starting to have like AI agents dedicated to it, but this one just stopped. Okay, I see snapshots, so I'm just gonna go to that docs. Interactive compact. Annotated screenshots. Iframes, what? Okay, so there is a screenshot. Annotated screenshots with numbered element labels. Save to cuts. Screenshot format. Save page as PDF. Eval. Okay, screenshot dash s full. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, there's a new thing that came out that I did want to try. Let's see, I think I just bookmarked it. Where's my bookmarks? Here. Agent browser dashboard. Let me try that. Agent browser. Open, let's say trust J medspa.com. And then let's try this new command. Oh, I might need to update my agent browser. Agent browser dashboard. Start. Dashboard. npm. Wow, I forgot to update a link with npm. Let's just do npm agent browser. Oh, dash G. Change one package. Okay. So I think that should get the latest. I don't know why it keeps going to this post. Oh, what the fuck? Did I just unlike it? Ah, damn it. Agent browser. Dashboard. Okay, let's try that command again. Oh, nice. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, did it just insert a... Oh. Oh, I'm stupid. I gotta install it first. Alright. Agent browser stop. Agent browser start. Okay. Now agent browser open. No browser connected. Well, that's not true. Agent browser. Okay. Weird. I'm not sure I understand. Oh. Okay. And there it goes. Cool. And let's do agent browser. Screenshot. Was that the command? Sure. Let's try this out. Let's open that guy up. Okay, perfect. This is what I was looking for, but I didn't want to do a full slash dash. Let's do 100 dash dash full, and let's take a look. I did think this was gonna happen. So I might need to be more specific. Let's see. Commands. Close. Screen Okay. Well, this doesn't look the best, I guess. Able to see it. There's a header there for some reason, then it repeats. What if I do record? Let's try that. Where did I see record? Record start, record stop. Okay. Oh, it embeds. Interesting. I guess that's kind of cool. Okay, well, let me try taking another screenshot. I might have just needed to disable that. Yeah. It still repeated it for whatever reason. Let me see. Missing arguments. Record start. Maybe I should look at the commands here. Is that all that's there? Okay. I guess we'll put it here. I'll put WebM. Okay, then stop. Is that all they need to do? I don't know why I decided to open ChatGPT up. I mean, that's cool. I guess I'm just trying to brainstorm of like from what this report is telling me, right? It's saying like do a comprehensive report on some of the actual content on the screen, which I could use. You know what, maybe we'll come back to it. I think for now it would be nice to get a picture and save the content. Is there like a way to... There is. I know there's like a way to open up the iOS profiler. Or iOS simulator. Yeah. I think for now, what I'll I'll tell it to do is take a screenshot. So it'll use this screenshot of all the pages that it lands on. Let's close these out. Let's head back to cursor. You will then, well, hold on. Best CLI or API tool to get, or what am I using now for it? I think he's just trying to look for an XML to get the sitemap of a website. Damn, it's an old ass one. Okay, let's try this out too. Let's try this out. And ideally, I can set this up to run on I have a Raspberry Pi that's running my OpenClaw. So I think just having it run in the background too. Okay, that didn't work. So probably not that tool. Yeah, see, I'm not trying to pay money for this. It should be pretty straightforward. I mean, I'm already grabbing it. I'm just trying to figure out if that is not available. I have heard of Firecrawl, and I've used it before. 500 credits one time. Scrape 500 pages. See, and I don't think I need this if I have I mean, I would consider if they had like a pay-as-you-go plan. Oh, there we go. API credits. Oh, well, this is buying credits, right? 500 credits one time, scrape 500 pages. Yeah, I'm not gonna start with this. I think I'll use the existing implementation that I have. But I am curious because let me run this guy again. Linkinator. HTTPS www.medspa.com. Okay, so this is using it's using Webflow. Cool. I guess I could from this using Podium. Yeah, I'm saying I guess I can use the existing sitemap stuff that I have. I was gonna see if I can use this scraping in order to fetch it. Let me also say, let's also run the results of the Linkinator JSON through to OpenAI to determine what potential tools the user is using, such as chat widgets, what platform they are hosting the application, like, what was this one? I just saw it. Am I tripping? I just saw it. Wow, I cannot think of the name. What are some website hosting providers? I'm just blanking out right now. Like Wix or website designing platforms. I think that's what I meant. Webflow. Or potentially what tools are being used. What We can also feed in the HTML of the web page. Feed in structure of the HTML for more. And web page from Agent Browser to OpenAI for more context of the content of the page. You will then use the existing Agent Browser implementation in order to for this one, I'm going to use GPT 5.4. You'll then use the existing Agent Browser implementation in order to get the site XML of the page, of the web page, and use Agent Browser navigate to each page and save the results. Save a was it? Yeah. And save a screenshot of each page using this command. Let's also run linkinator on each page found in the site XML to see if anything is broken. See, and this is where I don't think all this is gonna fit in the HTML. How about I'll put it at the top here. For each business analysis, let's click on each page. Let's create a new folder in this application under analysis something with the business name and the date and timestamp of when the analysis is being run, and save any assets into this folder. Let's create a new util. Let's save the result. Oh. guess I'll just put this. Let's ensure the output of the Lighthouse report gets directly saved locally in a folder in a repository. It's another HTML report. This analysis in the created. Okay. It's already a lot of stuff. And I don't think we're even halfway through the report. Let's keep it moving here. Okay, so we're doing that. Okay, I did forget about the whole I guess this agent browser. I gotta have this thing on speed dial. Keep trying to find it. I'm trying to get the contact to commands. I think it's snapshot. Interactive elements, compact, remove empty elements. Limit tree depth, only interactive element. Let's see. So let me do agent browser open. All right. I do like their compact version. Because I am getting basically all their content. I'm trying to see what all this looks like. So this gives me the interactive stuff of what I can click. And then full accessibility tree. Okay. I'll likely be using this. I want to save all this stuff. So there's a banner. So this is the navigation. Link, book now. Image of blonde shirtless woman looking over her shoulder. Devoted to the health of your skin. We believe in that each client deserves. Okay. So yeah, maybe I can also save this output. Remove empty elements. I'm a little bit confused. So this is the full output. This removes the empty elements. Oh no, that's just the interactive elements. But does this still have all the stuff? Let me take a look. Compact. Yeah, okay. Devoted to the health of your skin. Book a consultation. We believe. See it like remove this. We believe that each client. That's not a. Yeah, so I say let's do the full thing. Okay. Let's save that result in the folder. And let's use Agent Browser to navigate each page. Save a screenshot of the page with the following line. And let's save the result of the agent. Result of the command. Okay, so we're gonna save the result of each page as well. Okay, so that might be a lot of data. I don't know if we can store all that. Okay, so that should give us all the content of each page, all the links of each page, a screenshot of each page, see if there's any broken links on that page. Okay. Let's move on. A critical component of the technical phase is understanding the existing software stack proposed an automated workflow requires knowing what customer relation management platforms, booking tools, and analytic systems occur. Built with application programming interface provides a powerful mechanism by creating a target domain the auditor can receive wedges deployed on the site. Dealt with API. What is this? confused. Lists. Built with lists. Provides JSON access to lists websites using particular web technology across the entire internet. Interesting. I don't know if I want to do that. I'm kind of telling it to do that here, right? By running it to OpenAI, I should hopefully see at least some bookmark of what was used. If is a footer element or similar that has a reference. Yeah, this one doesn't. I think one of these did though. Maybe it was this one. Or maybe this one. That has a reference to who built the site. Let's also document that. Let's enable the web search feature in this API. Cool. If we do find a CRM tool, let's see if there is an API for that web tool to possibly pitch being able to streamline customer or order processing with AI agents. Okay. It's getting pretty complex. I'm almost done. The Lighthouse open source is the primary engine for that. Yeah, oh, already did this, right? Yeah. Okay, let's read this a little bit more. Okay, he's trying to pitch me on this. Oh, technology lookup. Find out what business sites. Okay, but is it gonna work on let me see. Select both images that match. Oh yeah. Offsite. So browser widget. Recaptcha. Is this Webflow? Yeah. What is this? Orbi. Okay, so it's on GoDaddy. Okay, this is interesting. Everyone's trying to use an AI. Nice. Is there an API for this? Because this is what I'm looking for. API access on the website. Oh, maybe I was looking for this API. Yeah. Holy shit. That's a little too pricey. This is pretty nice though. What you need? Two technologies. That's insane. For individual site looking for all plans can be canceled at any time. I mean, I'm gonna try this out. And essentially, I think Agent Browser does have a what is that called? Extension? Yeah, load browser extension. Yeah, let me try it here. Am I tripping? Didn't I just download it? Oh. Oh, I have to do the same shit. Select the items shown. Wow, that was dumb for a minute. Interesting, interesting. Maybe I will ask it then to go to let me see. I'm gonna try running this through Asian browser. Browser open. What was this called? Essentially, I had to pass in. Let's see. No, why you keep doing that, dude? Okay. Browser close. What's going on? So what if I go to OpenClaw, browser profile, user, I think. Okay. List pages. Interesting. It won't open up that one. What is going on? Okay. Well, what if I go here? Interesting. It's like blocking. Doesn't open. Okay. I'll just say back over here, because that has everything I want, but I might just need to do it manually, which is fine. Let's also provide a link in the report. Let's also provide a link to go to the website. See if I try mine built with, say, I wonder if it blocked me. So it's thinking I'm doing like fishy stuff. Or maybe I had to use this. Let's see, refresh. Juan C. Chavez. Yeah, it might have blocked me, unfortunately. Did it block my IP? Is that what happened? Let me see. I'm gonna try going to my Raspberry Pi. Connect via screen sharing. Builtwith.com / Yeah, I think I fucking banned myself from it. Anyways, let's at least go to the builtwith.com / website, which looks like I need to do manually since it's blocked on my IP now. Those motherfuckers. I didn't even abuse it. I literally just try to do it with Agent Browser. That's it. I mean, there's one way I can actually check. I have another computer running. What's the app I have for it? Helpwire. Log in. Workstation is offline. Well, never mind. I guess I'll check another day. I mean, I could access it, just not on this computer anymore. To see what technologies website and business is using. Alright, I think that's mostly what this section was saying. Technical infrastructure. Yeah, I mean, that's what we're doing. Running Lighthouse. Am I tripping or? Yeah, I already read that. Cybersecurity. This is a security audit. I don't think I can do security audits though. I can just check if there's CAPTCHA on pages. Email delivery. Digital footprint. Yeah, I do want to check. Inbound discoverability. That's one thing I don't know if it's an actual if it's an actual thing or people are just making it up, but it's saying agent discoverability. I think that's what they called it. Answer engine optimization. So it should be for small business. Answer engine optimization. Direct answers the public. Answer common questions. Use tools like Answer the most people also ask these queries. Okay. I just make a note. If the business allows, let's offer to do a answer engine optimization for which will run multiple AI agents to try and discover business. If not, then we can suggest plans on how to make your business more visible in the AI agent world. Use tools like yeah, I'm thinking all this. I can also, this looks like I need paid access in order to run this stuff. Verify present schema for local business. The local business schema is mandatory. Automated competitive research. Let's also offer AI service support answer responsive with AI, real person and AI agent testing. Okay, I think I'll limit it there. I also want to do if we can fetch social medias of its businesses. Let's also save that information in the report. We can offer to do a follow-up comprehensive social media analysis and digital presence analysis through Yelp and Google reviews as well. Okay. This is a lot of stuff. I think, yeah, we got to the end of the report. There's a lot that we can offer, but I think I'm limited to these for now. I essentially want it to give me a report. So let's just determine this. Well, let's just have it come up with a plan for our app and see what it comes up with. It is a lot of stuff. Okay, looks like some questions. What should the first implementation milestone include? Local audit folder, Lighthouse util, Lincolnator util, sitemap screenshot. So, yep, that sounds good. Plus OpenAI base. Yeah, I would say the OpenAI based I don't need anymore, because if I can do it from that built with, I think that'd be great. How should report HTML be stored for everyone? Also save a local file, restore metadata, key for HTML on disk for now. Store and spawn otherwise. I mean, I don't know if Convex will be able to handle that, but I'm assuming. I feel like a Postgres DB, it's not that big of a deal to save a bunch of text into a field. I mean, it has to be structured correctly, but like the database column needs to be set up for it. let's see here. I'm gonna read through the report. This is what ChatGPT spit out. I think it looks pretty decent. Let me kill this. Oops. Whatever. That was just my hold on. Nice. Hell yeah. Okay. Let's read through this guy. I guess I gotta open Chrome back up because I can't. I didn't mean to. Check, check. Are my headphones still connected? Weird. I can't hear anything. Well, there it goes. Alright, let's read through this. Build the first implementation slice for business audits. Create a local per run artifact folder under analysis. Run Lighthouse and Linkinator from server utils. Capture sitemaps, snapshots, screenshots, and page level checks with agent browser. Save full HTML report content in convex with multiple reports per business. Show report history for each business in the app. Okay. The current per business outflows already exist, but it writes a single meta site blob back into the business record via convex business. This makes the right orchestration pattern a copy, but not the right storage model for report history. The current UI lists businesses and already has a per row analyze website action. So the lowest friction path is add a sibling run audit action and a lightweight per business report history viewer there. Okay, so user runs audit API, create analysis folder, run agent browser capture the site match page list, snapshot each per page, links per page, run Linkinator, run Lighthouse, compose final report, save audit report in convex report business history UI. Nice. Add a dedicated report model. Create a new convex table such as audit reports instead of storing reports inside metadata. Recommended fields. Kind, digital audit, status, started at, completed at, website URL, analysis directory, artifacts, report HTML, report title. Okay, create report row, finalize report row. List reports for one business, get one report by ID. Okay. Create local artifact run utilities. Root JSON, site XML, pages JSON, screenshots, snapshots, Linkinator per page, one report. Okay. Create a Lighthouse utility modeled after the process spawn. Approach and server. Spawn them. Yep. enter structured results. Yep, for Lighthouse, start with homepage only, audit and save HTML locally. Yep. One site at homepage, one page level pass over URLs discovered in the sitemap. Yep. Break down per link. Yep. Build orchestrator. Create a new orchestrator. That reuse the sequencing style from normalize website URL. Create run folder. Sitemap. Direct page list from sitemap is each page. Save full page. Screenshots and page snapshot run Linkinator against each discovered page. Yup, this all looks good. Compose a first pass HTML link to for manual review. Notes, action, service, comprehensive social audit. Because you selected full HTML, save the complete render HTML string in the new report and keep the file look. Yep. Add minimal UI for report history. Rather first extend first entry. First pass UX. Add an audit, run audit. Add a reports button for service for business. Full HTML made to once page to page output grows. Unlike how clean it up. Avoid loading full HTML on the business. I guess what I'm not clear on, maybe I missed it. Excuse me. For what we are saving to, wow, I cannot type right now. For what we are saving to, we can close this too. Just put this guy over here. Saving to, what's that called? Let's keep this at composer. What we are saving to convex DB, let's only save the results of the homepage in the report. Let's make a secondary report that is fully comprehensive of all the pages of the report. This is in
Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
all the pages. Screenshots that can be pulled locally. This be used for eventually this should eventually be exposed in the grander report, but for now I want the full report saved locally and the one saved in Convex DB should be just on the home page, results, and the linkinator results, the home page as well. Let's also get the content and screenshots on home page with the agent browser tool as well, and provide breakdown in the or to be saved in the Convex DB. Let's provide a way to link to the local report and a way to see the saved report in the DB by loading it in via an iframe on click or something. Maybe I should have used fuck. Yeah, maybe I should have used ChatGPT. Let's see. Only a homepage audit. Homepage only. Run sitemap per page screenshot snapshot. That's clearly spit. Okay. That's fine. We'll just build this. This looks good to me. Let's say build. And I should have used. I mean, I felt like you gave a pretty good plan, so I'm really hoping Composer 2 doesn't mess it up. But I guess we'll find out how it does. So yeah, that was like a couple of hours of planning. I think I'm gonna see how this run does. I'm gonna try to run it locally, and if it works good, cool. If not, then I'm probably gonna call it and just mess with it tomorrow. We're having trouble providing the resources requested. What? What happened? You stopped for some reason. Can you continue where left off with the build? All right. Well, while that's running, I am gonna start packing up over here so I can head home. So I'll just let this run, and you might just see me come in and out. Is it still going? Looks like it. Looks like it. go to another code gen. Right. The first build caught one syntax issue in the new audit runner. I fixed that and I'm rerunning the build files. Implemented a first audit pipeline slice. The backend now creates dedicated audit reports here and stores only the homepage report, HTML plus homepage browser breakdown, while the full crawl stays on disk. The main orchestration lives in server using new helpers, audit artifacts, Lighthouse, Linkinator, homepage audit report, comprehensive local report. I also extended the analyze to the homepage report includes richer agent browser context like title, metadata, meta description, headings, text inputs, and snapshots. On the app side, I added audit report, get audit report, get audit reports, get audit report HTML, get audit report local file. Okay, let's see how it did. So let's go with plumbers, or let's start with the real estate agents since that's where we started. Let's go with this person who has 146 reviews. Okay, there's a few new buttons here. I'm trying to make this friendly for the vertical view. Yeah, it's not working. Whatever. Okay, so yeah, let's run it here. Reports should be nothing. Run audit. See what happens. I'm actually gonna check this out. Let's go to code, and this is still on the playground, I think. CD client outreach. Yeah. There should be a new analysis. Yeah. Okay, it has a business name. Let's check it out. And we do have a timestamp. Okay, so home page is up. There's an extract file already there. And this one should take a little bit more time. I guess we can look at the server. I don't have, there's no logs, so I guess we'll have to just see what it spits out. And maybe I should have opened the Chrome DevTools. Let me see here. Okay, the Lighthouse report is there. I guess we can check We can check convicts. Let me see. Let me log in. Let's see if there is a new auto report. It says it's completed. Let's see how it looks on the UI. Reports. And oh, there it is. Completed. Website built with. Let's see if this works. Oh, look at that. Oh, it embeds built with? What the hell? I didn't expect that. Oh, maybe it's just gonna keep doing that. Is this a chicken? Yeah, I think that's a chicken. No. Yeah, it's just gonna keep doing that. Open full local report. Pages captured. Okay. So it looks like it's only 2 pages. Failed to save screenshot. No such file or directory. Well, that kind of sucks. Page. Well, I guess we could have ran it on a... Oh, I did open it over here. Clock and a clock. Okay, so they're using GoDaddy. They do have SSL enabled. Most likely hosted on AWS. Looks like they're using React. I haven't even opened up the website. I'm just looking at the reports. Let's see, it was like okay something, right? Oh, not all of them have it. Let's go back to med spas. And let me go back. Actually, I wanted to open that. Yeah. Well, I guess that's an XML site. Okay, well, this website's a little rough for sure. Let me see how this looks in the actual report. Where did the header for this go? I don't know. Whatever. I'm just gonna open this up in Finder. Okay, so we do have a Lighthouse report. Homepage report. Here we go. So this has no broken links were identified. Comprehensive social answer engine optimization. Okay, SEO, a 92 out of 100. Let's open up the Lighthouse report. So now I can go into SEO. The image doesn't have anything. Best practices does not use HTTPS. Oh, well, that is a problem. Accessibility. Links do not have discernible name. Oh, it's powered by GoDaddy. Performance is pretty bad. And it didn't have any links, it looked like. And then full site, snapshots. Interesting. Okay, well, I would say it mostly worked besides the screenshots. So let's let it know. Say overall the workflow worked nicely. Well, let me try to find that, because that's the other thing too, is when I try clicking this, I'm not able to see. I'm not able to see the report either. So, what was it? Oh yeah, okay. What happened to it? Bruh. Oh my gosh. Whatever. Okay. So when I click view reports, right? Reports. Just a few issues. One, images or screenshots from agent browser did not save. I see this issue. Or where's it at? Let me open this up again. I think it's in the full report. Full site, full report. Yeah. I believe the agent browser CLI allows you to specify what directory you want. Save it in. Let me see if I can find that. Screenshot, not snapshot, screenshot. Yeah. Save it. A custom directory. Second issue I see is when I click on reports, I don't see anything show up. Oh yeah, because it's at the bottom, right? Yeah. But if I click on this one, Yeah, no reports. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just fix that then. Just one issue. I at least want to see a picture of the screenshot on the report. I'll look into that later though. Let's get in there. So let's do another one. Let's take a look at the website first of all. Okay, so this looks like it has a good amount of pages. Let's try it on this one. Run audit. Then I can go into the terminal. Let's just go up a couple layers. Let's go into this timestamp. Let's go into full site. That just got the XML. How about the home page? It has a lighthouse report. Okay. So that just failed the whole report or what? Reports. Looks like one of the audits failed due to this error. Can you fill more gracefully or ignore broken links? For these kinds of issues. Alright, some kinks in the software, but we're getting there. I think this is kind of exactly what I was looking for. I wanted AI or just a workflow in this standpoint. It's gonna help just do an analysis so that I can, present the research, after looking into it. And then also provide okay, this is where I can help, I think. Okay. Let's try again here. Let's do plumbers. Let me take a look at the website first. Okay. So it has a good amount of stuff. Let's take a look. Yeah, it has some good directories. Let's try it out. Run audit. And then we will navigate all the way out. Okay. It's doing its thing. Running audit. Well, it hasn't failed yet, which is a good sign. It's still running the audit. Let me see what these folders are looking like. Okay. Ooh, screenshots is going. Okay. This is probably what's taking a while. Nice. That looks way better than the other sites. So they do have a chatbot on every page. They got a contact form on every page. They do have some reviews. I mean, this is a site that's doing it right, so I'm not too worried. Oh, interesting. Looks like Lincolnator's not. Not really producing anything, so that might be broken. Let me see what this looks like. So far, so this gives a summary with the Lighthouse score. Gives kind of a context. Yeah, see, I don't know if Lincolnator is working here. I mean, there might be no broken links. I think that's fine, but yeah, it'd be nice if it was a bit more helpful. I would like a screenshot here. This might have just been a big website to do it on. Yeah, look at that. They got a lot of stuff. Interesting. Let me see how much stuff. Oh, wow. I might have messed up, but we'll see what happens. I mean, I think that's what the analysis is supposed to be for, though. Pages. Oh, is it just running on these? 20. Toilet repair. Yeah. Oh, looks like it's done. Nice. Okay. So, I mean, it's not the most comprehensive report. I mean, but it is pretty good. Like, I can open up the Lighthouse report, right? I can call out any performance, accessibility issues, best practices, which, let me see. First to pay all. Oh, Audio Eye looks like it's using a lot. And let me see. Now if I go to this built with and check it out. Yeah, I think this is where I can start putting in AI a little bit to kind of help with these results. But at least I have something to go off of to be like, hey, this is where I can help. I can at least go through and update these deprecated API. It's Facebook, third-party cookies. Looks like they're doing a lot of tracking. Chrome DevTool issues. Accessibility issues. Render blocking. Yeah, so this font is blocking. Okay, well, this is where I'll leave it. It gives me room for enhancement. I'll wrap up the stream here. Yeah, if you did join the stream, I appreciate it. And I will catch you guys later.